Now that you have your course, you'll have all the materials and resources your instructors shared with you during your training. Now let's take a quick look at all the parts of your course. On the left, you have the course menu. Here you see that there are two types of items, visible and invisible. Invisible files, the ones with the eye that is crossed, are items that only the teacher sees. This helps avoid student confusion. In the middle of the screen, you will have the content. This is where the students do most of their work. This is also the landing area for your class. You get to choose what do you want your students to see when they open. In this case, this is a page. Pages are very easy to edit. They work pretty much like any other word processing document. If you're going to be using Canvas with your students, you want to go to the settings and go slowly through all the options and make sure that it fits your needs. You can create different sections if you're teaching multiple sections, and then you can edit the menu, what the students see or don't see. This is already set up for you at this point, but you can make changes by just dragging items and making them invisible in your menu. As we look through the menu, some of these options should be familiar to you since you saw them in your original course. You'll see the syllabus, grades. In the settings inside the grades section, for example, you will see the option to add late policies or your grade posting policies. If the course that you took had Econ Lowdown lessons in it, you might see it on the left hand menu. However, the Econ Lowdown will not work because it requires additional setup, and I will explain that later. Regarding grades, if you're planning to use Canvas as a delivery tool for your course and you want to know where the category weights are determined, you have to go to the assignment sections and choose assignment group weight. There you will find how each of the items have been grouped and what weight has been assigned to each of them. From the left menu, you can also access the rubrics. Rubrics are really useful. They're great for your students and they're very easy to do. You will find all the already created rubrics, and you can also create new rubrics here. To make changes to any of the existing items in this Canvas course, if you're using Canvas to deliver your course, just click on the item and then click on edit, and you will see all the different settings and options that are in the item. Just go through all the different options and choose what will work for your class. For example, here's a quiz. If I click on it, I get the option to, for example, preview it or edit it. If I choose to edit it, I will first see all the settings for the quiz, like the different options, like do I want to shuffle the questions, how many tries, that kind of thing. And you get to choose all those settings. And then when you're done with this part, you can go to the second tab where you will see questions. And when you click on that, it will give you actually access to each of the questions. If you want to edit any of the questions, each question will have a little pencil icon on the top right side. If you click on the pencil, it'll give you access to the actual editing side for the quiz.